See what it was due to technical problem. Our last video goes cut. So see, we are in what? Lateral strain. So see, this is our second type of a strain, lateral strain. So see, lateral strain is nothing but E, you know very well, and lateral strain. So whatever the deformation happen on a lateral surface, that deformation is called as what? Lateral strain. So you know strain means deformation. So see, supposed to be assume this is what? Circular bar, and you know which is a lateral area, lateral surface in this element. So see, this is what? Linear surface. This is what? Linear surface. Yes, this is a lateral surface. This D, this circular area is what? Lateral surface. So what happen when you are applying external force on this? So what happen? Yes, linear change is there, positive linear change. Length goes increase, just we saw. Yes, but what happen regarding this diameter? Diameter goes reduce, this lateral surface goes reduce, and length goes increase, and diameter goes decrease, because you are applying external force in tensile condition. So when you are applying tensile force from external side, so length goes increase, so linear surface goes increase, and so area means lateral surface, so lateral surface goes decrease. So this, so where this deformation happen into this area, into this what element? Yes, on the area, again this deformation is there. So on lateral surface, deformation is happen due to applied force, so that phenomenon is called as lateral strain. Are you getting? So this is what? Lateral surface, you know very well. This is a lateral surface. Yes, so this circular surface is what? Lateral surface. So what is the area? Pi by 4 d square. So this area goes change, this area goes deformed due to application of this force. Yes, so this area goes change. So change in area. So what is lateral strain? E for strain, L for again, LA for lateral. So what is lateral strain? So change in area. To original area. Sometime you can call it change in diameter, because this diameter goes change. Lateral surface, lateral area depends on diameter. Yes, so change in diameter to original diameter. Are you getting? So what is lateral strain? Lateral strain means change in diameter to original diameter. Again diameter measured in mm, even though it is changed, and diameter again, original diameter also measured in mm, so mm got cancelled, so lateral strain again in unitless. So this is what? Lateral strain. So lateral strain means change in diameter, and this means original diameter. So change in diameter to original diameter. So due to application of external force, this lateral surface or diameter or area goes change. So due to that external force, this area goes change, it means diameter goes change. Laterally diameter goes change, because this is the place of lateral surface. Yes, so change in diameter to original diameter is called as lateral strain. So our third type of strain, that is what? Volumetric strain. Volumetric strain. So what is volumetric strain? So strain again is denoted by E. So see, change in volume upon original volume. This is what? Volumetric strain. Because yes, when you are applying force on this part, so this is what? Diameter, this is what? Length. So when you are applying tensile force, so length also increasing. Yes, and diameter also reducing. So diameter go change, length go change, means total volume go change. Because volume is nothing but area into length. So this area also go change because diameter go change. This length also goes because this linear surface goes change. Yes, so volume gets change. So due to changing volume, volumetric strain will produce. after application of force, because both diameter go change. Diameter as well as length goes change. That means both sizes goes change, and sizes goes change, volumetric strain will happen, deformation is there. So what is volumetric strain? Change in volume upon original volume. So what is unit of volume? Volume having unit meter cube, mm cube or meter cube, and change in volume also having unit same. Volume remain same unit, so unit goes cancel. So again this strain is unitless. So what is strain? Change in volume upon original volume. So this is change in volume upon original volume. Yes, so these are the what types of strain. First is what? Linear strain, length go change. Second is what? Lateral strain, area go change. And third is what? Volumetric strain, total volume go change. How these changes happen, how this deformation happen? Just due to application of forces. So to getting link of this song, just my request, very humble request to you, my dear students, just watch videos serially, sequentially. Are you getting? So these are the what types of strains: linear strain, lateral strain, and volumetric strain. These are the three types of strain have with us. If you have doubt, please call me, contact me. I will solve your problem. I will reducing your confusion. I will remove your confusion. Okay. Thank you very much.